Well, hello you guys, it's me, CRISPR Columbius. And today, I'm going to go on the laptop to see what's going on here. I heard something typing in or something like that, but who's typing? Oh, hi! Hey! I'm glad you start the video for me. I know, right? Yup. So usually I'm the one who started this video, but this time it's you. I know, right? So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna say hi. Okay. Well, hello everybody. I'm the one and only Tyler Oakley. And today I'm gonna go on the laptop to see I'm going to play some games on there. So the games I'm gonna play on there is Nick Jr. So let's play some Nick Jr. games on there. I can't wait. Did I just hear Tyler Oakley is going to play Nick Jr. games? I better hope it's not related to Dora the Explorer or Blue's Clues. If it is related to Dora the Explorer or Blue's Clues, I'll be so bummed out that was going to be related to Dora the Explorer and Blue's Clues. Alright, is it on? It's loading right now, see? Oh, it's loading. Oh, I can't wait for you to go on Nick Jr. Games. So what type of games are you going to play on there? Not sure. I think it's going to be like Blue's Clues games. Blue's Clues games? Yep, I like Blue's Clues. Me too. And I'm thinking of you can play Dora the Explorer games too. What? Dora the Explorer? Why should I play that? Because I think Dora the Explorer is way better than Blue's Clues. I thought you liked Blue's Clues more than Dora the Explorer. Who cares? It's still loading. I know it's still loading. I can't wait for this to start this. So it's loading right now. I just can't wait. It's either not loading right now or is it so... Oh my god, why is it black? The screen's black. I can't believe it's happening. Oh no. It cannot be black. We're playing the Nick Jr. games and I can't believe it. I can't believe it's a black screen now instead of white. I know, right? I just so can't believe it's happening. That sucks. I can't believe it's a black screen and not a normal screen. What's wrong with this computer nowadays? Dude, it's a laptop. Yeah, right. What's wrong with a laptop nowadays? Why is the laptop going slow lately? Not sure why, but I think we can go do something else besides going to the laptop. We can? Sure. Maybe we can do chicken fries. The chicken fries? Yes, the chicken fries. Okay. Look at this chicken fries. They're cute. They match you. Are you trying to get chicken fries to look exactly like me? Yes. Chicken fries that look like you. Oh, no. Hilarious. That is so hilarious. Yep. I think it's doing it. Oh look, it's on. Oh yeah, let's go play some Nick Jr. games. So let's see what type of Nick Jr. games we're gonna have up there. Oh really? Yeah. Can't wait. Oops. Let me go to this one. I think. I hope that works. Nope. I think this one. 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 Stop with no, I think so because we're gonna go. Okay, let's type it in. It's called Nick Jr. Games. So let's play with Nick Jr. Games. Yay! Nick Jr. Games, here we come! Nick Jr. Games! Woohoo! Look at the Nick Jr. Games we have here. Oakley doesn't know it's actually himself on there. How is the Nick Jr. Games, Tyler? I can't believe this. This is not Nick Jr. Games. What the heck is this came from? This is fun. Nick Jr. Games. We got Dora the Explorer, Blue's Clues, Bubba Guppies, Little Bear, Little Bill, Max and Ruby, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast, and more. This is not certainly Nick Jr. Games. What? What do you mean it's not Nick Jr. Games? This is fun. This is fun. No, it's not. Look at who's on there. No. No, I can't trust me. It's not Nick Jr. Games. I said it. Not Nick Jr. Games. I'm gonna stare at a picture of Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues? Yes. I don't think that's Blue's Clues to me. Step away. No, I'm scary cat. Why? Look at me, everybody. This is how I look like in real life. No, it's not you in real life. How is that supposed to be you? Look at each other. Does we look vanilla? Let's see. I think so. I can't believe Tyler Oakley is not actually playing Nick Jr. Games. He's actually looking himself up on the internet. Yeah, this is awesome. Okay, anyways, Tyler Oakley's lying, everybody. So, yeah. So, anyways, I can't believe he's lying to me, saying this is Nick Jr. Games. It's really not Nick Jr. Games. Look. Ah! Are you right, Christopher Columbus? No, okay. Why not? Because this is not freaking Nick Jr. Games. I am turning this off and change it to what website you're going to go on. No! Yup, we're doing it right now. No! You can't do this. No. Okay, we're changing it to Nick Jr. Games. No! No, you can't do this. Too late. We're doing this for the fun, so... No! No! There. This is what you want. Yuck. Let's go back to here. Yuck, 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 yuck. That's much better. This is more better. Alright, you guys. Which website do you prefer better, and which images is better? The Tyler Oakley himself scene or the Nick Jr. Game scene? So this is, step away. Okay, this is what it looks like. So Tyler Oakley or Nick Jr. Games. Which one do you think it's better? So yeah, you wanted this one for sure. Yep, that's exactly right. But I'm so sorry for telling lies. I should tell the truth. That's alright. You can tell anything you want, but as long as it's not a lie. Okay, fine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you in the next one if I appear. This is me, your favorite YouTubers, Tyler Oakley and Christopher Columbus, signing off now. Goodbye and see you later. Say, let's look up Tyler Oakley himself instead of Nick Jr. Games, which is me, right? Right. Let's look him up right now. So, yeah. Let's look through yourself, huh? Yeah, that's exactly right. This is how you encourage yourself to look like, huh? Yeah, right. So yeah, anyways, we'll see you guys soon. Goodbye for now, everyone. As we're gonna look this crappy out that we didn't want to look up in the first place. So, yep. Yep. We'll will see you soon. What is this? What's this? Okay, we'll show you this moon of you yourself, Tyler. Who's Tyler? You are Tyler. Step away. Okay. Okay, that's the end. So I'm going to end this video here instead of Tyler Oakley because he is so busy looking himself up. So anyways, goodbye everybody. We'll see you soon.